There's a very big difference between the Ajna and the third eye. In many of the energetic traditions, the Ajna, or the brow chakra, and the third eye are one and the same. That is not the case with the esoteric teachings from Tibet. The Ajna is a chakra. It's also called the brow chakra. It has a triple function. The first function is that it's a major center or chakra in of itself. The second function, it is a coordinating center for the 5 major chakras on the body. So the chakras on the body, the basic, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, and the throat, are also reflected in the Ajna. They're reflected in the Ajna. So you can work on the body with the chakras, or you can work through the Ajna, because the other 5 chakras, the basic, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, and the throat, are also reflected in the Ajna. The third function is that it's an agency for the distribution of energy under the direction of the crown, which means that the Ajna is the external point of the third eye. The external point of the third eye. This function becomes possible only when there is a reasonable degree of harmony between the lower 5 centers. In other words, we call it a coordinated personality. The function of the Ajna is the willingness to be truly open-minded, to see, hear, and observe without preconditions. So the willingness to be truly open-minded, to see, hear, and observe without preconditions. The Ajna, the related gland for the Ajna, is the pituitary gland. The Ajna also affects, besides the pituitary gland, the hypothalamus, the frontal lobes of the brain, one eye, which is usually the left, the ears, and the sinuses. The third eye does not affect the pituitary, the hypothalamus, the frontal lobes of the brain, the ears, or the sinuses. The Ajna does. So everybody has an Ajna. Everybody on the planet has an Ajna, or a brow chakra. You would look really funny if you didn't have an Ajna or a brow chakra. But not everybody has a third eye. The third eye develops as a result of your spiritual orientation, like how much spiritual energy are you able to pull into your being. So when you have the personality under the complete direction of the soul, you have a third eye. When you have the personality and the soul having a little contact, or the soul has a little control over the personality, you have a developing third eye. So there's degrees of third eyes. When the monad is in control of the soul, and the soul is in control of the personality, the third eye is huge, huge. So again, according to the esoteric teachings, everybody has an Ajna, but not everybody has a third eye. Everybody has an Ajna, but not everybody has a third eye.